Hello guys, this video I decided to make about my experience here and what I've learned from living abroad. In Russia we're always saying to someone who going to live abroad like no one is waiting you there, and I completely disagree with this statement, because actually so many people waiting for you, your future friends, people who will help you, people whom you can help, maybe your future girlfriend, or just strangers with whom you will have some good memories. Yeah, your future you waiting for you. So it's completely not true that no one is waiting you here, and it's not only about Philippines, it's just about your life. One of the main lessons I've learned from living abroad is that you cannot be prepared to everything. You need to be confident and to believe in yourself, to be comfortable with uncertainty, because our world is constantly changing and you never know what will be in the future. You can lose your job, even you have remote job, and your money can be stolen, or you can lose your account in social media. When I was in Russia, I always thought that firstly I need to learn language, then I need to create remote business, and then in the end of the day I just realized that I cannot be prepared to anything. I cannot prepare to whole my life, and so I think it was right to make a choice and continue my journey here in the Philippines with what I have. Next point, it's not so hard to find a new friends if you open to the world, but still you cannot replace people from your past. So you can just accept it, that you can communicate with your friends from your country only by internet, only chatting and making phone calls, video calls. Yeah, but it doesn't mean that you will feel yourself lonely in new place. I truly believe that if you open to the world, it's not impossible to find friends, to find new surroundings. It will not be the same, but still you can do it. Next point is when you separate yourself from your environment, from your bubble, you will discover yourself from the different side. You can deeply understand yourself and your desires, and make yourself like a main character of your life. Because when I was in Russia, I always experienced myself like part of society, like part of my friends, part of my family. I'm not telling you that you should burn all bridges and separate yourself from all your past life. I'm telling that your life, it's a story about you, and when you trying to live somewhere else, you just deeply understand this, and it's not about loneliness, it's about focus yourself on your life. Yeah, it's not so easy to explain, but you will understand me when you will try to live abroad, and if you will have this chance. Next point is that you will take yourself with you. I know that it's the opposite thought I just told you, but what I mean that you will not be a new person just for one moment, just after one night. No, but you will have opportunity to grow in a different environment and discover yourself from new perspective. So It will not be easy, but you will have a chance to grow yourself and discover yourself more deeply. Before you go in to live abroad, I recommend you to make research about this country, about culture, about people, about place where you go and live, because information is available, and nowhere in the world is a perfect place. Every place, every country, every city has their own backdrafts, and you can only choose what is suits for you. Don't try to change others. You can accept it, you can adapt it to it, you can change yourself, or you can choose another place to live. Because where you go in, it's a different culture, different life, different people, and it's not only one way how people should live and how and what should they do. So you can only choose what is used for you. I think our expectations create disappointment and regrets, but under expectations create good surprises. So as for me, I prefer to have low expectations of whatever will be, and have some good surprises from the future. And when I was in Russia, I wondering, is it really so cool to live whole time in summer? Yeah, it is really so cool. So if you like warm weather as I do, welcome to the Philippines. Thank you guys for watching, for your support, your likes, your comments, and thank you Giuseppe Gitan. He supported me on PayPal, so thank you.